Hi, welcome to the channel. Another day, another plug. Let's go to Foschini and check this new tennis girl trend. If you love it, you will love this video. Let's start off with this beautiful skirt with pleats for $3.99. I think this is affordable for Foschini. I mean, Foschini is not cheap, but this is so affordable. Look at this dress. I think they outdid themselves with this dress. $5.99, not that expensive. I am loving this trend. I am loving it so much. I don't like this green. However, the dress, it is so beautiful. The white one, it's going for $4.29, which is also affordable. Looking at the way it's made and the pleats and everything, I think this is beautiful. The baby t-shirts, they're going for $150, which is affordable also for Foschini. The skirts, you guys, the skirts. Imagine the skirts with your Air Force Ones and some socks, Nike shorts, and this baby t-shirt. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I am loving this for myself. What do you mean? What do you mean? So if you like this video and you watched until this far, click the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones, because you know you want to plug them. You know you want them to get these things this summer. You know, be the first one to send this video to someone so that they can come and like and comment also. But most of all, they can all grab this beautiful piece at Foschini. I mean it when I say watch until the end, because there are so many pieces that are gorgeous and beautiful, and I know some of you might like. So you guys, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, love you so much, my gorgeous friends. Ciao ciao.